To solve this problem, there are two rules for radicals and exponents that you need to understand. The first being that whenever you raise a number to a fraction, that is equivalent to putting that same number raised to the power of the numerator inside a radical that is to the degree that is equal to the denominator. So x to the a over b is the same thing as the b root of x to the a power. And then you also have to remember, if you have two numbers that are in the same base raised to some exponents a, b, is the same thing as having one number raised to exponent a plus b. Okay, so now you'll see how we apply that to solve this one, right? So what I'm going to do is rewrite both terms, right? So we have 6 times, this is going to be the fifth root of 3 to the 5 times x to the 45. So I can rewrite that as 3 to the 5 over 5 power times x to the 45 over 5 power. Okay, we're just using this formula right here. And then we're going to continue rewriting our other term. So this is in the eighth root. So again, this is going to be 2 to the 8 over 8 power times x to the 1 over 8 power. How did I get that one? Well, it's kind of implied whenever you have a number by itself, it's to the 1 power. Okay, now we can simplify. So 3 to the 5 over 5, that's the same thing as 3 to the 1. 6 times 3 is going to be 18. And then let's figure out this x term. 45 divided by 5, that's going to be 2, that's going to be 9. So it's going to be 18 times x to the 9, all times 2 to the 8 over 8. That's the same thing as 2 to the 1. So we have 2. And then we have x to the 1/8 power, which is nothing more than x to the 1/8. Okay, so now we can combine like terms. So we're going to do 18 times 2. That's going to be 36 times x to the 9 times x to the 1 over 8. And remember, we can now combine these two x terms because they're in the same base, right? So that is going to make this equal to 36 times x to 9 plus 1 over 8. Well, we need to rewrite our 9 in terms of having a denominator 8, so we can multiply that by 8 over 8. That gives us 72 over 8, which is going to be added to 1 over 8, right, which gives us 73 over 8. Now, we will finish this problem in part 2.